Hello everyone, this is Sachin Jain, Director of Shoonya Tubes. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. Basically, we manufacture tubing in size ranges from 3.17 mm OD to 50.8 mm OD and from thickness of 0.6 mm to 6 mm thickness, depending on customer specifications. And we also provide almost all types of stainless steel grades, including austenitic, ferritic, meritic grades, and duplex and super duplex grades, plus also inconel and monal grades. We are manufacturer of stainless steel seamless bright annealed tubes, providing instrumentation tubing, high purity tubing to industries like semiconductors, solar, and aerodefense, plus dairy, pharmaceuticals. So our main focus would be on high purity and high precision tubing, catering to these sectors.